What's going on, YouTubers? It's Matthew Vick with Sonoma Strong Hauling. And maybe you're new to the channel and you read how to make $1,000 a day with a trailer. Well, I'm gonna break it down for you guys. And this is my setup right here. It's a dump trailer. It's 12 by 8 by 4. It's a one-stop trailer. Not the most expensive trailer, but it gets the job done. I actually got it in Vacaville off Craigslist, brand new. And it's a beast, it's a money maker, and the walls are 4 feet tall, and it makes a lot of money. So I always get this question always asked, what size trailer is it? Where do I get one? Well, look online on Craigslist and you'll find one. It's One Stop Trailer, that's the brand. And it's not the most expensive, but like I said before, it gets the job done and it's a money maker. And that's the bad boy right here. And JoJo, what are some other options you can do to make money with a dump trailer?
There are so many things you could do with a trailer. You could do dumpster rentals, junk removal, landscaping. The possibilities are endless.
So we're heading on out right now, so stay tuned for the video, and I'm gonna show you how we make money with a dump trailer and make $1,000 plus every single day. And no, I almost forgot, what do I pull that trailer with? Well, check it out. It's a 2008, has 141,000 miles. It's a Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter, and this thing gets it. And the trailer is pretty damn light, so there's no problem at all pulling this thing. So that's the truck I use. So if you want to buy a dump trailer, make sure you got the proper truck to pull it. You don't want to be pulling a dump trailer with a 6-cylinder or a 4-banger, so make sure you got the right truck. And Google the specs and make sure that whatever truck you pick, the towing capacity can pull it. So yeah, we're heading out to the first job, and look at those horns I got back there from a junk removal job. It's a big old buck. And oh yeah, check these gloves out right here. I got these from Home Depot for $9.99 for a 10-pack.
For a 10-pack, and they're the matching colors.
Oh yeah, I love Home Depot, baby. So we're gonna try these out today. You ready to get this money or what?
Yeah, let's go and make our $1,000 today.
We're gonna make $1,000 plus today, baby. So yeah. Now don't forget to watch the video to the very end, and we'll let you know exactly how much money we made with just a truck and a trailer. Now we're at the first job of the day, and for us to make $1,000 a day, all we gotta do is 2 full loads or 3 to 4 small jobs, and we'll make $1,000 plus a day. And later on in this video, I'm gonna break it down to you guys how we price our dump trailer. And JoJo, where'd this customer find us?
This customer found us by our large decals. So it doesn't matter what business you choose to do with your trailer, whether it's moving, junk removal, hauling, or landscaping, or anything, make sure you have huge decals on your trailer.
Now let me show you guys the job.
Hello, you must be Matthew.
I'm Matthew, how you doing?
Matthew's wife. Yes. I say on the website.
How you doing today?
Good, so what do you think?
Oh yeah, we can do it. Now job is complete, and it took about 10 minutes, and something you definitely want to do is always ask the customer where they found you, and we know where they found us. It was the decals.
Yeah.
And also always give them a business card, and if they're 100% happy and you know it, send them a Google link.
Yeah, send them a link and send them a link right away. Waste no time. That way you don't forget to do it, and it's fresh in their mind, and they'll do it probably as soon as you leave.
And another thing you also want to do is make sure you lighten your load up. By saying that is donate as much as possible to lighten the load up. Right now it's kind of hard with the coronavirus going on, but all the metal put in the back of the trailer, and when you go to the landfill, empty that metal out to lighten your load to put more money in your pocket. So what's your prediction of the dump fee, JoJo?
You know, I'm gonna predict $50.
$50. I'm gonna say $67.
All right.
Let's see what happens. So we are at the landfill, and all these bins right here are places you can recycle stuff. We got scrap metal, we got cardboard, we got glass, we got whatever you can recycle. You can drop it off right here, and that will lighten your load up to save you more money. Now that took about 2 minutes and I saved about 15 bucks. That's like 2 double cheeseburger meals at McDonald's. And I'm all about saving money, JoJo. Why you laughing?
You are.
Let's hop on the scale and see what happens. What was your bet?
50.
50, I'm gonna say $67. Let's see what happens. So the first dump fee was $54 and the JoJo won. And how does that feel, JoJo?
Yeah, I knew I was gonna win.
Damn, she was off by $4.50. Now we're done at the landfill, and don't get it twisted. You see us with a dump trailer pushing a button. You don't need to start like that. You can make $1,000 a day with a trailer, with just a utility trailer, loading that bad boy up by hand and unloading it by hand. It's gonna be more work, but you'll still make some killer money. And then eventually when you put money away, you stack a lot of money, you got a lot of jobs underneath your belt, you can buy something with a button. That's what I would do ASAP. So we're heading to the next one. And are you ready, JoJo, or what?
Yeah.
Let's get this money. I'm ready to push the button again, are you?
Yeah.
So we're heading to the next job.
So Matthew is bidding our next job, and you'll notice that when you show up in person, you will land so many more jobs if you do your quotes in person. I would say he has a track record of probably 95% at least of landing jobs when he shows up with his truck and trailer and gives a quote.
So JoJo, you said 95%? I think it's more like 99%. We got the job, baby. Let's do it. So here's the job. It's everything in this garage in this pile right here, and it's about 3/4 of a load. I love garage cleanouts. Now, JoJo, we're done with the job, and it took about, what, 12 minutes, I would say?
Yeah.
And what's your prediction of the dump fee?
My prediction this time is 78.
$78. I'm going to say $74, and we're almost at that $1,000 mark already, and it's only $11.15, baby. You want to redo your prediction or no?
No, 78 sounds great.
Oh, hell no, JoJo. Guess what she said off the camera? What'd you say?
Well, I said he lets me go first so he knows where he should be, which is true.
Leave a comment down below if you think that's true or not.
No, your girl's got it going on with the dump fee.
All right, whatever. Now I'm gonna break it down to you guys and show you how I charge on my dump trailer. And most people charge between $30 to $60 per cubic yard. And you're probably wondering, what's a cubic yard? It's the size of a washing machine. So I'm gonna break it down to you guys in the simplest way so you guys can understand how to charge your trailer. So I keep it super simple. I have 5 pricing points. The first one is a full load price, a 3/4 load price, a half load price, a quarter load price, and a minimum pickup price. Now around the United States, prices are gonna be different in different states. So I'm just gonna say we charge $500 for this trailer, which we don't, we charge a lot more, but this is the simplest way for me to break it down for you guys. So for a full load, say it's $500, it's good money. You wanna charge for the 3/4 load, $400, the half load, $300, the quarter load, $200, and a minimum pickup load will be $100. And that's the simplest and easiest way to break it down. And I never had any issues with any customers ever. Let's say it's a little bit less than a full load, I'll just charge a little bit less than the full load. Now I keep it super simple for the customer, and it makes life way easier.
So if you're using a truck and trailer right now to make money, let us know what you use your truck and trailer for.
So the struggle is real. So look who won. It was the JoJo Lena, $92. Damn you. Now some people are scared to back up a trailer. They don't want to buy a trailer because they think it's so difficult. I'm going to show you a tip that will make it easy for you guys. So most of the time you drive with your hand up here when you're backing up the trailer, and it makes it super difficult to back up because your trailer's going the opposite way you think it's supposed to go. So the best way to do it is put your hand down here, and whatever way you want that trailer to go, you move your arm that way. You want it to go left, you move it that way. You want it to go right, you move it that way. And that's the easiest way to back up a trailer.
So if you're learning anything from this video, hit the like and subscribe button. So we are at our last job of the day. This person found us on a Google search, and this job will put us at over $1,000 with our dump trailer.
So we definitely have a full load here. This mattress needs to go. This headboard, this stuff over here needs to go. This little pile needs to go. And also there's some furniture in the house that needs to go too. So we're finally done for the day, and that was an easy day in the junk removal business, the trash business, and I love the money. And JoJo, how much cash flow did we make today?
Well, today we didn't make $1,000. We made over $1,400.
$1,400 in one day picking up trash. So you don't have to pick up trash. You can do dumpster rentals, you can do landscaping, you can actually do moving with a box trailer. I see guys out here making a killing. I don't like that work though. Moving, I hate it.
No, but there's good money in it. So when you have a trailer, your options are endless.
So if you got a truck right now, I'm telling you, it can be a utility trailer, a dump trailer, whatever kind of trailer it is, it will be a game changer and you'll make a lot more money. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button and check out our other videos, how to make money, make cash, picking up trash, and keep hauling and balling. And you want to say anything else, JoJo?
Nope, just hit the like and subscribe and watch our other videos.